I'm Rosie Batista and I'm Sleeping Naked After 40, and I'm here today with ehow.com to show you how to make an avocado romaine salad. Now I have a different take on this salad because sometimes it just gets boring to throw everything into a bowl and mix it together. So I have a special way I'm going to show you that you can actually eat a salad and it's almost like you're eating a sandwich. So that's number one about this great recipe. But the other thing about it is, if you can see these beautiful ingredients with strawberries and avocado and sprouts and chia seeds, pecans and raisins, it's like a beauty treatment for your skin. But people ask me all the time, what do you use on your skin? And quite honestly, I really don't use anything on my skin. It's what I put into my body that makes my skin really look glowy and shiny. So what you want to do is, avocados are great anti-aging, youthful food. So you want to eat it often and you want to eat a lot of them. So we're going to just separate this avocado out. I already cut it in half and remove the pit. I'm just going to take my knife and kind of score it around the shell and the actual flesh. Okay, and just kind of separate it just a little bit. And then I'm just going to score in so I have some really nice slices. I'm going to just dump them out right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to concoct or create a sandwich using romaine lettuce leaves instead of bread. And so we're going to take some of the avocado and we're going to just spread it on the leaf. And you can do this however you want. So we can just kind of, mash it into the leaf a little bit. Just kind of lay it there. And then we'll layer some strawberries on top of that. Now you might be saying, like, that's such a strange combination, but I guarantee it, when you taste this, the flavors are just incredible. And it's so good and your body feels so good when you're eating it that you crave it. You just want more of it. So I'm going to dump some pecans, a couple of raisins to just sweeten it up a little bit, and then some chia. And if you're not using chia, you should be, because it is one of the most amazing antioxidant superfoods that you can get. And you can use chia for, if you're putting in oatmeal or sprinkling on a salad or just kind of dumping it into anything, your shakes, whatever. It's really, really awesome. So now I have this little sandwich and I'm just going to roll up the bottom and just kind of roll up the same way you would if you were doing a wrap. And you can just tuck this in over here at the top and roll it around. And there you have it. You can even cut it in half and then it's much easier to eat. And you can see all that yummy goodness. And I'm sorry, I just can't help myself. That's really, really special. Ciao for now.